Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my fourth day of 30-day challenge. Okay, first I'm going to tell you why I took this challenge. I can speak, then what is the need to be take this challenge? Like I do lots of practice for my this spoken English and I don't have any surrounding as I told you before to whom I can speak with. So that's why I have to do lots of practices like talking on that application and written part and sometime I do my practice in front of mirror and one of the making video also. So taking challenge binds me to make videos. This is the reason, that's why I'm making, and that's why I took this challenge. Though first when I was not able to speak a single sentence, then I took 90-day challenge. After completing it, there are lots of changes, positive changes. My expect towards spoken English, it was totally changed, and now lots of things I learned. And then I took this challenge again, so to make me continue uh, to make consistency. That's why. And today I'm going to tell you one thing, like before start speaking, before start this journey of spoken English, I know the grammar. And even knowing the grammar, I was not able to speak. I was not even, I have fear of speaking in front of others, in front of strangers. And I was like, even after knowing grammar, I was not able to make sentences, and it's very hard. And though I am able to write sentences in written part, but whenever I tried to speak, it was literally hard for me. And now I can speak. So what I'm going to tell you, like, so there is no need to be worry about that you know about grammar or not. As I told you on my first day that you have to be first learn how to speak. If you don't have fear of speaking, then you can start. And even the best thing is that you know like when you feel comfortable while speaking, then you have to make sure your mind that okay, you are learning something new, and there's a very basic chance to do mistakes, and the main thing is that you are learning. So this is the reason. And like in India, there's a lots of that what that word for, like they all were like, oh, English is a very learning English is a very big thing. And for me it was literally big thing when I was beginner. I mean, like as I told you, like I was used to speak my native language, and I didn't have any surrounding, and didn't have any partner to whom I can speak. And and my surrounding is totally Haryanvi, even in schools, college, and so all everywhere. And then when I started my this journey, it was literally hard for me. But as I took resolution, and I was, I made my mindset to learn this language, so it was literally good thing. And see, I can speak now. So what I want to tell you, there is no need to be fear that I mean you are you are good in grammar or not, or you don't have any surrounding. No, if you have mindset, then you can learn. So this is the easy thing. Okay. And when you started this thing, when you started your, like this journey, in the starting may you face lots of challenges and lots of, like, hurdles comes in your path. But after some time, when you are habitual, when you are, in the process of learning, so everything will be easy. So this is the thing I want to tell you. And the main thing is that when in the starting may you feel boring also, like this is the language and to whom I can speak with, and you have to be, sometime you find, like your co-learners boredom, I mean boring co-learners, and you wanna don't talk to him. There's a lots of co-learners you can learn, and you can learn new things also. But and when you start taking interest while speaking, then after some time you can see the changes. Automatically you find interest while speaking, whether you are alone, whether even though it is not your native language. Whenever I feel happy, I started speaking in, like I start speaking in English while I'm talking to my father, while talking to my brother. But the thing is that I'm just telling you one thing: start taking interest. Okay, and make yourself make your mindset positive to learn anything, not about this spoken journey, anything. So I mean, you can do anything and make your surrounding positive to those people who can encourage you, who can, build up your confidence, enhance your enhance your positivity. And they don't want to be down. They are like, okay, if you want to grow, then you can grow, we are with you. Okay, so these are the things I want to tell you, and I'm really happy that uh, I can speak. And there's a lots of challenges came in my path also, and I'm literally, I can't believe that I can speak in this way. But yes, I'm doing. So thank you so much for bearing with me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you. Jai Hind.